Some people, last night, Vybz Kartel do the longest interview him ever do from him get released, right? And in that interview there, a whole heap of things go on. You see me? And you know say when it come to Vybz Kartel, anything him do or say, you know what I mean, where sound a type of way or look a type of way, people are gonna scrutinize it and give them opinion. Nationwide put out a piece where them a say him threaten him wife. You see me? We hear it, we hear what go on. Alright. Me now pick up a Vybz Kartel still, you know. But you see another situation them people. As an artist, your woman fi be unreachable. You see, the bigger you is in life, your woman fi be unreachable. And anybody forget a conversation from your woman. Your woman can be polite, yes. You see me? But can't be too friendly. You understand? Seems to me that Vybz Kartel is a very jealous man. You understand? And on a level still, look how far him go for him woman. We are England. So she not supposed to know nobody like that at Jamaica. And she not supposed to want, although it's selfish, she not supposed to want get to know nobody too much. Because as I say, you can't be too friendly. Maybe when say last night to her, it was disrespectful, you know what I mean, and show him in a very bad light, knowing the situation where he come out of, you understand? Because people, as I said, them are going to scrutinize it, you know what I mean? And me read some of the comments, and I tell them, the comments were nothing good. You see me? So, more to not tell more the thinking in the comment section, you know, people. Alright. So, Shebada, you know, him have some things to say. You know what I mean? You know, Shebada is a person where him a go talk about whatever go on in the media. So, what hear what Shebada have to say about that. Also, Destiny, you know, my people, have some things to say about Ivani. But here we go on, people. Destiny and Ivani, them relationship are more than a relationship because they were not friends, right? And they haven't been friends for quite some time now. You know what? I could hear what Shebada say, and then we get into the Destiny and Ivani thing. You see me? Because Destiny always a taunt Ivani. So I could hear what Shebada say, my people.
Bless up yourself. Who remember? They might bite the body, me eat happy chicken and go on this your nastiness. Yeah, who remember? Who remember when I stated that Miss Kitty, you've never done track and you had all of this for publicity. You rather bring down a girl for promote your program under the banner that you're well educated and savvy. You understand? Who remember? Now, imagine when people them go Olympic and you're not even able Olympic because that's how Jamaica stay. Anything we now win, we not pay mind. After three, she's scanty. I cannot dilly-dally in the world. I'll wheelie me a wheelie to after three scanty Sherma. After three very scanty. Nobody now stand up in front of the big TV where the government give them to after three dash way. Me not in a lie that thing say shut about after three and people coward. Jamaica now get no goal. Imagine now Miss Kitty took to the forefront and come out and speak about the girl letting down Jamaica. You understand me? When you know nothing about what is going on and how people are survived. Because none of we never know how nationwide I treat you. None of us never know. Never know when a links get you the work. A links and a qualification get you the work. A links get you the work and you cost over money. You understand me? Remember when you were on the ear, Digicel use you, and from you lose the ear, I can't find you and Digicel together. What is going on? You stop by them phone card just asking. I don't know if you mash up your phone. Don't think I'm being rude. I'm not being rude. I'm just asking. You get what me I say? Now we have one of our Olympian, the overseas and a course. Cause fear coach could come. Now people let me tell you, and this is what I've been saying all along. Me I tell you this. Me I tell you this. You see the J3, the JWA and the JOODDPP, me don't know them, don't know them more than me. Them for shuffle like card pack. Them for shuffle like card pack. They don't like coaches of these athletes, and because them think them an high-rank coach, they won't allow most of these coaches to fly or travel. Me I tell you that, but that is a story for another time. Make the athletes them come out and talk about that. Cause me don't want none of them. And you me come talk said enough of them athletes aside with the shenanigans we are going. Number one, Sherika Jackson come out and say she have injured. Sherika, me know you're not injured. Me know nothing not do you. Remember yam grow, yam bad cooking. Nothing don't do you. It take you long for sick because your immune system below the metal. So it take you long for sick. You can't feel pain. You are one girl, your body tell man to keep them fists at them side. You know see on a rocky. On a rocky and on a rocky pint. One thing do we blessed with calf and shoulder blade. Me nah ask you no. So when you come out and talk about you have injury like you feel nothing. Remember the whole we know about hamstring and the whole I get therapy. If me could have run naturally when tell me pull up. What can I pull you pull? You try lock up back anything where your coach tell you if I say you pull. On a little bit and stay bad like. On a too lie. That's why it cannot be any better. Because you hear the man him threaten she, but if she don't apologize, she is lying. A long time them a complain. Ask Juliet Cuthbert. Ask Juliet Cuthbert, and she one of them will sit down under politics and keep her bad ear shut. Ask Juliet Cuthbert, not Andrew Holness' wife. Ask Juliet Cuthbert, cause the whole of Jamaica depend fear shoulder blade to her calf. Oh, remember say she still look like she a run, you know. Oh, ask Juliet Cuthbert. So that man will come out and attack, so the little girl is lying. The man will come out and say the little girl is lying. Ask Otti. Why you think Merlin Atti Ghana Okra me don't know the country where she come from. I can't call him country name. Oblig, me don't know the country. Jamaican. A long time I did attack this. God no make mistake. God no make mistake. I'm glad me did say it from before them start complain. You know see how much event we draw out. Eruption in the junction. I always tell you say. Me did talk it in say sometimes with them go where I pay a war in the camp. Now my question is Miss Kitty, why you there for talk about this? Because you jump up and open your dog looking mouth and you come and chat and you come and go and you try to tear down the girl. You ever support them, mate? You sponsor them as much as how digital give you a check, you try for muggle on the internet. You never support them yet. Remember that all I want to get free labor, I want to get paid for free work. I want to get paid for wear people clothes and hairstyle. That is my point, exactly. And you see when people took to the internet and said Miss Kitty said something and everybody is this and everybody is that. Miss Kitty chat too much. Miss Kitty chat what she don't know. She chat too much and what she must speak about. You understand me? She isn't speaking about that. She shy away from it like she an athlete. You can talk about the sports. You go like Nike sponsor your suit. We never see you run yet. Remember you're unhealthy.
Jano Star. Oh, Shebada deal with Miss Kitty, so. Yo, Shebada deal with Miss Kitty, wicked star. Jaja. So, people, me never know, say, Shebada and Miss Kitty are that of a rival. You see me? And I say, her links make she get her her work and no qualification, and then she a go argue over money or something like that. Why may I tell her, Jano Star? That's why you know to make people know your business, you know. Alright, people, so make watch some more here, Shebada say.
We never see you run yet. If you talk about this the same way you bring down little girl for no light. Me tell you, say, me don't know how educated you being about your light dirty argument when it comes to matters where if you talk about that is affecting the country, you shy away from subjects like these. And now if you talk, I said it to the internet, me tell the internet, say the whole of us still gonna listen to me skitty. Like me skitty makes sense. Una say me skitty pick choose and refuse what to talk about. What really affecting Uno, she not talking about it because she help affect Uno too. And at that Uno not say. She should have jumped on this. The little girl is frustrated. The lady is frustrated. She is frustrated and she have vent and now they need an apology in order for the Jamaican Athletic Association look good. Only if you look good and not on athlete against athlete. Only if you look good and coaches against coaches. How only if you look good? A long time for me the tracks this are going. Coaches eat coaches like dog. Let me tell you this, and that's why athletes and athletes cannot agree. Cause them buy out coaches war. Wanna come like some big crutches old girl. The whole of wanna come like some big crutches old girl. A pure corruption. The girl that talk about it. Let her speak about it. Make the girl talk, but and she need to come on a move your sound like a batty boy, you sound like you're a sucker. I saw your sound. She needs to come and apologize. Remember, enough of you never like Mike Alavier. Enough of you never like Mike Alavier. Enough of you never like my coach. Enough of you. When I come and tell them, so they go on like the stadium of phone own, like I want to walk and lay out Chevron. Me they tell them that, but no, them never believe me. Enough of you never like international team developing athletic talent coach. You saw me know the name? My bright. Remember say enough of the athletes up there we don't in order to get opportunity. Me know. Me say take off Glenn Mills and take off Frano. Take them off. Take them off. Take them off and dash them away. Throw them away. My want throw them away. Throw them. Nurse Brown, come here. Come in, done with you, no, sister. Nurse Brown, is when you make no more video about me. Make a video were real. You hear Nurse Brown, make a video were real. You depend on the internet too long for can't cause. Can you go put up or you deny my application for rent your place? And you did want rent out in my back. Remember me deny. Me know say when time I see that show me can't read and it take me a while for process where you really right. Can you know me and the reading she? Ask anybody on the internet. You should never put up rent and you deny. And ask anybody on the internet. When I pull up my receipt and you are reach out to me so till they see me on all flight, I could even make you out, you make out back me and pressure me for my number. And me give you my number. Who did want rent somewhere from somebody? Nurse Brown, women know you from for want rent somewhere from you. When I walk a show up and you want rent out in my ear. How many times you send application to my back and I poop it away? How many times? I poop away your application and you really come about me and house and with you forever, you still not talk about the African man and your agent. Your agency, you're still not talking about that. Remember, say you walk on secure building. Remember, people leave things in place. Yeah, people leave things for you to look over. We are sinners, bro. Remember, tenant applying because you're exchange. And you really want to sit down and qualify yourself with me, Nurse Brown. I have your way for a successful girl. For you being a successful nurse, I have your way. I have your way. I have your head giddy. You can imagine, that's why them say only love could hurt like this. Only love. When you see a lover refuse, you must hurt. Yeah, I have your head away. I have your head away, I have your head run up and down. But me can't take you. Remember say me you speak soprano.
I talk with Michelle.
Alive.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then I should only nurse.
That you talk one boy.
Oh.
One boy was saying name Nurse Brawlin Shebada. And you're so uneducated and lack diction in pronunciation. You cannot enunciate anything at all. It's annoying. Honestly, it's very annoying. So I wonder which part are you bright? Eh? At the hospital where you obtain a certification from a lockdown, which institute you went to? Because you alone come on with a pressure check, something heart check, something lung, something checking, something on your ears where deaf people. Are you alone? For sure you're very pretentious. Are you alone walk with it to come address me as if you just check a patient heart? Maybe your own heart you check because you're flatter. Remember me I play with your heart, Nurse Brown. Only love could hurt like this. Go change your tone. Go change your tone and look me over. You sound to me. Yeah. You sound to me. Go change your tone. Go put some bass in your voice and look me over. Come on, start over. When your voice mature. When you say you want to dry yourself, boy, you come by me. Nurse
People, the Nurse Brown person, seen, you know him like that or anything, because when Ivan did the thing I grew and say Ivan get wall and pan and really, and every time that me see that person on social media, more know if a long time this person they there on social media and in just get a highlight. You know what I mean? But me not like people friend him forward on social media, right? The amount of people where him and them kick off. Me don't know what to say about that person, yeah, Nurse Brown person. But wanna tell me, you know what I mean, about him in the comment section. So make we listen some more what Shebada say.
Nurse Brown have several seats because nothing we do to the RT boss they do it already. Yeah, so we are come about. You have seen me a foreign what day about. Are you in the Bronx? Go suck your mama. Hey boy, stop playing me. Stop playing me. Go suck your mother and take no set for me. How many times must I tell you now? When you answer that, then you get back to me. Cause you remind me of the many times you run behind me. You remind me, ask anybody on the internet. It was plain as day. Yeah. It was plain as day. So when you come here fabricate anything, me eat batty man like you. Me eat batty boy like you. Wanna fabricate too much lies. All you do, you come from my program and I run you off your nurse because you're patient. I feel like them drop off of the bed. Doodle lick them off of the bed. Yeah. I mean I say attend to the patient, attend to the patient. And you get up in your feelings about. And you were all up in my inbox. When you did all up in my inbox, I man get up in my bat. Nurse Brown, don't do it. You're too lie. Don't want the $600. How that go? Because you're rich in your collect rent. How that go? We not reach the $600 part yet. How that go? At that way I work out. While me I shoot. Yeah, how that go? Talk to me, the nurse. Cause all I know we not hear nothing about the $600. I'm gonna buy scrubs out at Walmart and call myself nurse. I can't even check my pressure much. Let's just piss in or something and see the sugar level high to see if my pancreas has spill. Yeah? Exactly. Coming at the first nurse. We need justice for Dan. Dan need the $600. Me no know Dan from nowhere, but me nah lie, me buy out the warrior, cause me no like people take set from people pocket. Come on, we want justice. Dan want justice. Dan want justice. A yellow carry curry sheep feeling. TikTok liar no give the curry sheep. And you have her up. No man, nurse, then you what kind of nurse? You suffer, man. You suffer. They mean even some people carry feelings of food over Wi-Fi. And then me must accept you for my program after you use the African man rent and buy lion just to impress boy. Cause you look cocky over the internet. That's why you can't carry food feelings over megabytes. I'm not in the line nurse bone, you're not nobody. You are a nobody. And you think it's nice when you come up and try to speak. Eh? And you don't know what you're saying. Cause you're not flexible with words. They never teach words in a nursing. Cause you're the only one who Mr. can't pronounce nothing. Then how you pronounce prescription, how you give medication. Eh? Cause you, honestly, if anybody sit down and listen to you with sense, you're not a bright individual. So when we give my prescription now, a birth control, you go, oh, you just look for me and feel some dash your belly. Okay. Okay, so you use your mind for tell with upon the prescription. I see. I see. I mean, I understand. You cannot me say, I never hear somebody me say you have bad language. You have bad language. Him have bad language, man. Him can't pronounce nothing. You can't tell me say, yeah, give me 5mm a poison and 16mm come. You're not gonna know. Cause me gonna listen to your voice and me gonna say no, but this a boy you really and truly not bright. Then which part him stay and read? Then when you read the nurse book now, it's supposed to be laughter. You know, I'm going to tell the truth. The truth. The truth. The truth. Girl, me say, his grammar Anzia Lawrence is so bad. His grammar is so bad. See me here? And you want to sit down and argue with people, Nurse Brown, going back to school. Going back to school, you no waste opportunity. You no waste opportunity. Going back to school, Nurse Brown. Too outside, man. Shebada, you're coming for my tenants. Me not come for your tenants, I'm for come for people who are not there. They move out. Are you alone or lose tenants? Are you alone or lose tenants? Me say the tenants they might drop from out of your place like Autumn. Exactly, Jordan being for talk for 12 English to beat him. But you're coming for my tenants, and are you alone or lose tenants? I'm for come for people who are not there. And the $600 we rob down, you know. And the $600 we rob down, make the tenants they might drop like Autumn. The whole of them might drop like leaf. Eh? And you come by me, Nurse Brown, I tell you this every single day. Don't come by me. Do not come about me. Any boy with me reject. Not have nothing for talk about me. You mad? You know some peculiar. Yeah, man, I'm very selective. That's why no coloring book on the internet not frighten me. Then oh, you with a little bit of shade can touch me. You mad? Remember me can't hardly see you and I can't even make you out. You not stop run behind me because you want to rent out underneath me. Remember that at all times. A joke, but you have a you have a want to stick up me with it. You're out of order. Remember me and you a girl. Me and you a girl. And besides me is a go-go. Me like swing pan pole. Me love swing pan pole, my baby. You keep your out of order. Stay short, Wama, baby. You keep your love. Keep your look me. Me and you talk the same way. Me and you talk the same way. Me don't like relationship. Me don't see myself in that. Me don't see myself in a relationship. Me straight when it comes to canon. Me know what I want. Me believe in my testimony. You understand me? Me know what I want. You're desperate and depressed. You can't take anything. Me don't know how you have love for the nation. Me don't know how you have love for the nation. You love everybody. Then you could have really see me and wander with me. After me and you speak soprano. Ah! We talk like we scream. Eh? And you are looking about Shebada. Then which man me could have sit on dinner table in a restaurant and waitress or waiter come. And me go say, honey, what you want? You go depend. Well, I think me da get up and slap you with all the utensils. Me no run them joke them, my girl. Me no run them joke there. A man to me thing, no look me. No look me when you see me. And I carry my whole feelings. Through your ears with gold. Like it's a Egyptian crutches. Ask cheesy blazes a criminal crutches. So I don't know what take you. I don't know where you hear about in a them lifetime here. And you try bring down. You can't bring down me when the tenants them are going to leave you. You just here for all lamp on the $600. Dan that I go for one deposit, I don't know how. So if I me like it, Dan, me give it with love, store it above, give it with a willing heart. And so nurse bone talk. Art. Yeah. It's true, and you come by me. Then nurse bone, me break you a little bit. Kartel come in at the studio a little. Then Kartel, you never know say you on TikTok.
Alright, so people, here we go on here now, seeing? Here we catch Kartel you know. Kartel get catch because I sat Buchanan say he might go take a break. Normally, when Kartel did that road, remember say the internet never so prevalent and we never did a live stream and them something there yet, you know. Right? So if him say if like him dep on a radio show and them say them a go take a break, him know say yo the mic them turn off and the people them can't hear what him a say. But I sat Buchanan, him a stream on the radio, him a stream on TikTok and other places. So when the radio stream pause and nobody now hear what them a say, the TikTok stream still a go on and people still a see and a hear. So at that go catch him you know.
Then Kartel come in and then oh you willing for box down whitey. And you don't realize that your finger go print on the white sheet. Kartel you like leave evidence. You love leave evidence. The last time I advised and know you want to leave your fingerprint. Oh, you mean you go back down overseas? Can't tell me not to lie when me hear last night. You have to wonder if you come back to normalcy. Can't tell you sound like the Kartel when my band come now. Me say me not know the first abuse me hear and it's sexy. God believe me, you make me have to call prison. You make me have to take up my phone and call behind bars and see if anything wrong there for me. You did that. Me no know if me a play hypocrite with you. Me no know. Me just right you know me just not know in a Kartel. But when you say, hey girl, no you oh Lord. The weirdest set of things turn us all the times. Me say I don't know. But Kartel come in and it look like she used to you man. Because she just obedient, she knew her position and pose. Yeah, it was only just the wife, huh? Shelly Curran, this one go on tea time. Me now like my outer road and me jealous. How you feel good as? And I me one call your name and all them dirty people yourself call your name. But ask Shelly how she feel because she always at the tea time. Come suck me, Shelly, I'm a friend, me like Shelly. Move your nastiness and go. Shelly, I'm a friend. But Shelly, how you really feel? Me not ask you because she said to ask you. Me ask you because me genuinely fast enough. How you really feel? Then Kartel, you just come out and I promise people leak. And that's why me not say nothing out of your my mouth, you know. Because me know why you beat me like how you used to be the artist, them in the empire. And then Lisa hype. Why you do that, Lisa? And you know me love you. You know, so Lisa, come here. Lisa, come here. Why you do that? Me know you know well, you know. Let's just say you weren't on your meds. You understand me? But why you make Shelly Curran beat you up like that? You don't know say enough of people added the teacher, the palmer, the DJ. You don't know say enough of speak. They don't know for all of the mouth shut. Then Lisa, how much beat me you get? Them cool off. And I sin for the kid knowing that you're fully mature and close to goal then. You get what me say? I hope Kartel about the pain and mind, you know, I don't want one of them out. But Kartel, I heard you talking about the first show is in December. Hello? You might come out plummy, but you're not Santa Claus. Why so far? And look here, remember the match, best of four. Best of four. Oh, trying to play a match with not even chance time, you know. Oh, can me put in my application first like this is an institute. So me not understand why we are at December. Oh, you mean your month? Statius is a hypocrite too.
Alright, people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. But me not feel like say the G I go do him woman nothing still. You know what I mean? Him just feel away and say what him say, but me not feel like him mean say him I go really deliberately do it. You see me? But me know what you think in the comment section. Cause as me saying at the intro, my people, you know what I mean? You have to, as an artist, you not go on your woman and chat to every and anybody. You see me I say? As an artist, your woman to be unapproachable certain way. You know what I mean? Unreachable certain way. And anybody, your woman for a whole conversation with and them way there. You understand me I say? But nobody no control nobody still. But if you don't understand what I mean, you see me? But tell me what you think in the comment section. We're going to listen some more and then we go over to what Destiny has said about Ivani.
Oh, so you want to say you might keep the party for the show for because it's your birth month. All of that hypocrite in the studio here. All of that real hypocrite in the studio. At the 26th, why am I keep it on Boxing Day when the rich people them box up them food and give me the balance? But look how Kartel come out and do a text statement. This is what I wasn't ready for. I'm never ready for this yet. And all of the artists, them just gone quiet. Alkaline my artist too. Alkaline my artist. Me say Gaza and me say Alkaline. Me know why Alkaline my artist. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, Vendetta. Should I just say Alakaline? Yeah. So you understand me? Now back to Sister Nurse gonna have the $600 per dan. And this over there, that we are talking about. Me I try steady with Thematic. Come on, get Nurse gonna bullseye. This walk and suck girl from Florida. Nurse gonna use your mouth as Miami push room. You want to push it up in every hands. Them always say people suck the pants, but some other. Remember, when I live close, me nah ask you know, for your man, you can know the, hey, you know some pretty girl, say them not have good hold, me gonna tell you the truth. Or you know them now, them change man like dog, then so you can't find comfort. You know, sister, yourself if you do it. A nurse brown that you're fully qualified, you're well established at a young age. You remind me of one Ivan. Yeah, on a young and on a good material. Now stay good later Empress. Rookie Princess Rookie. What bench? You mean chatting now? What bench? Oh London. Yeah. On not have good pum. On a little bit miserable. Me never know say people could have played internet. Me never know you could have eat who you don't know. You walk and jump from life to life, a man see you, and no man don't see you, you walk and bike, the thing drop out of your back, want more gravity.
Oh my God.
You know, Mama studio. I'm tired. Mom, stop it. Oh Lord, help me Jesus. I feel like a natural. Why my man call me so? Somebody may ignore me now.
Nasty mistake.
Alita.
Alright, some people, make me know what you think in the comment section. We are going to go for Dan, you know, and hear what Dan has said about Nurse Brown. So, okay, what I go on now.
As well, the girl is that say is a narcissist. To show you how unfair you is, and we are going to be real. Kind of everything we can cuss about, you know. You say you no plan on no deeds over bling. Why it offend you so much? Remember, I know Taya a big woman. Taya free to go on any platform she want to go. So why because Taya go back over bling, that offend you so much, are you just using that as a excuse? What that have to do with you? Or because to your sister Taya and Ivan you go at it, you think that are going to last a week, so you want in a midlight. You want your name to call in it too. Because only when the bagger there, me see you push your head. Me nah see you push your head in a positivity. Only negativity me see you push your head in a. So it look like something wrong. Anyway, the negativity there, and that's how me see you push your head, a man at your caliber. Come on. When I really look into it, why your head now go with the positive there? Me look over cheese box, and you me see in the box, and the people them a deal with their way, and let me say, oh, you end up here so now. Listen, you know, I'm gonna show you say, oh, this man, Iman big banks are take see him pill, you know. Over cheese them, you know. Ivan, #1 biggest enemy. Ground that, you know. And you, as the only person we say I take up for Ivan, you choose to go in at that box out of all of the box them on TikTok. And you go tell me say you don't love controversy. And you go tell me say no spotlight you want in a Nurse Brown? And you go tell me say no screen record you look? Everybody were over cheese box. I done Ivani, because Ivani enemy zone that. And you think you gonna go over there with your 2 foot and your 2 hand and come out back with them? You should have done one a nursing home them a take care of people. Look how far you there. Be a liberty when you look on the comment them pan everything where you depend. All if you know open your mouth. Thank you, all if you know open your mouth, you hear somebody in the comment and say, Nurse Brown nothing. Everywhere in there. Nurse Brown at this nurse. You know, watch what go on the ground. So at this I highlight you want. The only person who never did a deal with you know we are cheese. And it look like cheese in a good mood the morning. Because me never hear she a deal with you know we are. And it did strange to me. Me don't know if she never drink her tea yet. But it is strange to me if you say, oh, she not deal with you wicked. And no matter how you try to explain like the people, I say, what the fuck? When come over here, so what am I talking about? Where you go over there, go tell the people them what them not already know? You just want to be seen. Your biggest problem is to be seen. So when you're over here, so you not see. Everybody I see you, you know. Or enough screen record now go out enough because no bagga now go on over here. So we just sit down and chat normally. So this can't hold you. You want the ushpa, the excitement and the this and the that. As a man. Clad, I saw girl love mix up and bagga. You is a man. You understand? You is a man. So why you can't, alright, as me tell you, when you use over blinger, you sit down and keep your ass quiet. Me never see you nowhere you say just sit down and you keep your ass, unless it's a competition. Like, yeah, use gift for competition. So, you come and you use gift, and then you come back and you talk about it and say, you give her this, you give her that, and you do this, and you do that. So, nobody never hold you and take nothing out of your pocket, you know. You want a name, and because you want the name, you have to pay dearly for it. Me say, Pastor Smith, deal with you so crab it. And me I say, that I go put you in your shell so you know so you have to hold your corner. And me never know say I love you, love it. Because me see you end up back in a box with Pastor Smith. Say, you want to be able boss liar. You's a nurse. You coming like a curse. That's why Martin I say he's a pallbearer, you drive hearse. Come on now. When you talk now, man, I'm tired now. Somebody come help me. I can't bother.
So people, I don't know say I'm out of the loop for a while now. It's what I say. I don't know when Dan and this man yeah, kick off. You know what I mean? But boy, I tell my people, you have some people who come on the internet still, you know. Anyway, cloud there. And that's so them are go, you know. You see me, they might come in a little type of way like them innocent and them not in a nothing. And them not in a the drama and the ray. But once them get a tear sight, you know, people, may I tell you, say, yo, it's like a drug. You see me? So, we're going to listen some more. How we done, I say. You know what I mean? Ivan and Cheese situation, people. Me don't know if it's about that still, but me genuinely know, say, like, Cheese check for Ivan differently. So me don't know what caused the passa between them. You know what I mean? But me here still. So make me know nothing. Me go watch some more with Dan if you say.
Me tired. Anybody can come help me? Me tired. God know me tired. But the man make it look like say, alright. Come one comment when me say upset me no. Somebody go comment and say, Dan can't tame. Me is not that type of person. You have to listen story before you talk. If Nurse Brown willing, Nurse Brown can come right now, come in my box, and me go upset him in my box. I say, Nurse Brown. And we are going to talk like two civilized people. I'm making tell you now, when me say, look while we're not correct, and make me tell him when me say we're not correct. And we have reproved them. The whole 5 a week can come in at the box. Because we not chat with one another. As me tell you, where Shez and T talk about, cause them know them one another in a real life. We can't know that. When him and TikTok liar talk about, them can't know that. You understand? When me and them attack, everybody talk in the group. And it's never about like, we depend on somebody or we depend on somebody. The most thing we talk about. The most thing we talk about. You see, I like when we round table talk go on, you know we're going to talk about what happened last night and say, this happened, one little blunder go on yes, last night, and next time we know for them that we talk about. We not talk about negativity. And even when, if you have to ask any one of them, even when we are talking about positive, in dropping bling. Sometimes we have to say, oh, bling come here, so not like I say, Lord God. How bling coming like this, though, we are talking about something positive. So, as me say, when Mr. Monday I go back for getting shot, go with him. Because I see your medicine yet. It won't not take you see your medicine. It won't not take you see your medicine. And if him never make the speech, the money that's still over here because it wasn't about don't put him back over here. It would be like say, alright, if we see you in the box, we're not going to make him come up in the box. Him deliberately tell me say, if him a go come back over here, him not come back. So he must stamp him foot then. And me give him that privilege there. And you hear him turn it around now and say, me a hypocrite. Oh, me a hypocrite with banks, not you. You better you say it that way there. You better you say me a hypocrite with banks then. Because I way you say fi do, me do it off of you because me I say, no, me want you pa me team. So you say, if banks come back over here, you not come back. Well, I want TikTok like, if banks come back, you not come. So I say, alright, that means we have to get rid of banks. For good. And your decision that, you know. So, oh, you go say me a hypocrite. Oh, me becomes hypocrite now. Be real. Oh, me becomes hypocrite. Oh, me becomes draw down. Oh, me becomes I try to hold you down. Oh, me fi become I tell you what to do and you tell me what to do. The first decision when me make you tell me what to do. So, oh, no, you change it and turn it for me. Be real now. Make we talk as human being, a man and woman now. Well educated and no go to school. Make we talk now. Yes, me I get help now, because I can't, my mouth tired.
Alright. My Vybz Kartel was to that kid, was me at it from weeks still, you know. But I want to not done, because I'm ready for the flyers anytime now, and all the money go.
The money?
Yeah.
Me text T last night and tell T, say, if it text him and tell him, and him say, him will pass on the message, so me not get no reply yet. So
yeah, no reply, but so yeah, wait for the reply before the flyer start.
So wait for the reply from T.
So yeah, you
get back the reply from
so
T.
when you get back the reply, then we can let out the flyers?
Yeah.
Okay. Because Nurse Brown have to go down. Nurse Brown have to go down. You come.
we're ready, Dan.
Yeah, can you come? Cause Sammy Boo come. Sammy Boo, listen, come make Dan run big bank in that, you know. You see me I say? You
but
can't get
I tell you something, sunshine. Right now, big banks are fucking mother too. We don't want big banks over here. And that's mentally down.
Medication.
Big banks can't come that boy.
Danny, 1 second.
Let me tell you why we can't take
banks over here. Banks are fucking your mother.
You program him. And him have that broadback girl, they were always program him. And him send up on a normal
Dan, we're ready. Just call it, pick it up. Ready.
You know, like how Dan did
ready, Dan.
Yeah, Kiona.
Me don't want to cover Dan. Me this and this. I say, wait, but are you just say you want to come?
Dan.
People, one thing me know still, you know, say, if me don't know nothing else, me know say, you can't study them people up on social media, you know. If you study them, you will mad. But I tell you that big one thing, because them people are people who used to, although I saw it going life still, you know. You know what I mean? Not everybody you're cool with, you go cool with right through. You understand what I say? Now I mean teeth and tongue are gonna meet. And if you know say you don't really know them people here personally and them want to come at you, you gotta defend yourself. And that's how the fallout I go on. You see me? But make me know what you think in the comment section, my people. We are gonna listen some more and then we are gonna end it.
The Kiona, me are telling you people, Kiona picture at the next picture, and me are telling you that Kiona follow me up, you know.
I watch live where you make KO now. I said, well, and I repeat it so that you say you're easily programmed.
Let me tell you now what happened with the money. A nurse Brown has sent out the money back to the people then was send it to him and send me back my own in my account, and that me I tell it from morning. He send back the money to me cash app when we send to him. So I send back the money then to the people them.
Someone send message about Dan must go to our blood clot master raise. Who's the old nurse Brown? Shit money, we're ready, you know.
I wake up and see the money send back in my cash app.
Nurse Brown, I'm grateful to African man who help him buy house.
They said to things, why you not just send my cash up or my pay instead of sending yes on left from. I saw him after time. If you say him, I forgot.
Oh, you talk too long, Dan. We're ready for war. War ready now.
The money, yes, some of the people them now go get back their money because some of the people them as sell them up, them send them. So I say,
tell him to send
one thing and just send back the
my party.
Money off in my platform.
Okay, Kerry.
You take too long, man. Sammy Budana take too long, star.
I'm in the long talking. I'm in not talking. We're ready for run out.
Exactly. Next one, but 150.
And come click power ready in a blood clot.
Somehow on a dispute
but me not have a blood clot over here, but we're ready, sunshine.
We're ready, Sammy. You're ready for yesterday.
We ready.
Okay, Kerry. Yeah, me send my 150 in Nurse Brown, more about my 150.
Him take 150 from you too? That means I'm collect more than $600.
Yeah, more than $600.
Them the live
it's a curse, it's not a nurse.
Because alright, he want to say Dan what he want to say, he want to say he is a man of caliber. He's a man of caliber. And so live where you're depend, not even me when I walk in at them the line, then nah go on them the live there. How far you paid me see Nurse Brown talk too much for your man.
Yeah.
He just talk too much for your man. I mean, I tell you that all who come out for your life, don't take them back. Don't take big banker, big backer, boy one him. Don't take them back. Them and look here, not take them back. Cause them shape bad like the economy. We come mash up your life and make it count. Let them stay which part them there. Don't take them back. And the thing when me I say with T, when me I say with T, me not apologize to T, cause T no bigger me and T no more than me.
No, apologize.
Say when something they are going with, when Nurse Brown are going with, you and them a link and you a follow them. T should have come out to you and said to you, say Dan, you don't know say XYZ. He no said nothing. He just up with Nurse Brown. So
that's why Nurse Brown everybody me not pardon no blood clot.
But T don't know that's a Nurse Brown still.
Oh, you mean him know Dan? You don't know where he come from.
Him know that you don't know nobody but yourself. Him know.
Sir for your blood clot. Tia John Crow.
Remember say him know just like all them. Just like how them call what's your name again?
Come down.
Must see TikTok liar and say if he come fi goat and this and that and rare XYZ.
Porridge and blood clot tea. We're ready for war.
Me say same thing. Me say same thing. Run with T, run with Nurse Brown. Them can't find one next platform. Spotlight them one going now. Run with them.
Of course,
you think me a stand come anybody come this down and Dan come from my place at Spain? You must say mad. Me see you make one new video and him, you don't rub him out good. You fi make one next video and Nurse Brown and rub him. But him can't trouble Shebada. You can't trouble Shebada.
Mama, hold on.
Exactly, body Colombian.
If you're not ready to tear him down, we have to go do it today. Because today at the end of today at Friday, we have to finish him today.
Yeah, somebody right on say don't stop talk because enough of them things. We're talking after that. That them the way people are see them chat people. Run everybody.
Exactly. Enough time me dey on live in a night so much
and the
was
blood
a clock
clot
and I
old
listen to my
lady.
dirty
Dan,
people them
read
will come over
comments
your
and see
live
them
and I
people
come
they say a true.
go on
Well,
like them with you.
Well, and the Sammy Boo, you know, so when me I tell Dan when they see the boy, I try to block me out, you know. Type of one, me tell Dan, I'm me go catch the last part, you know. And me say, oh,
You
the boy,
called me a
them
while
people
ago.
they start deal with the people, them son, them a one team. You get me? I mean, I
This is my house. When you see that, this is my house.
right? And them over there and them kill the people and pack it. Everybody, I will never tell them, but when I come
Fast man can warm me there right now. The bomber clock, where you want?
I'm beg like him
Exactly,
blind.
Effie.
He kill the
Exactly,
people and
Effie.
pack it over there. Yeah, no,
Who
go in
the
the
hell?
exclusive bar and click the blue money.
Alright, so my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to end that one, yeah.